Okay, students, let us find the area enclosed by curves. First one is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. We know that this is the equation of ellipse such that e less than equal to 1 means b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. E less than 1 means the ellipse is symmetric with the x axis. Okay. So x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1 is the equation of ellipse which is symmetric with the x axis. Okay. The second curve is x is equal to AE and A is the constant, and since x is equal to k is the equation of a line which is parallel to y axis at a distance of AE at a distance of k unit, that is x is equal to k is the equation of a line which is parallel to y axis at a distance of k unit to the right side of y axis. Here we have given x is equal to AE. So when we compare x is equal to AE with x is equal to k, and we know that A into E is the constant, so x is equal to AE is the equation of a line which is parallel to y-axis at a distance of a into e. Okay. So first of all, let us draw the graph of these two curves. Okay. And as we discussed, the ellipse is symmetric with the x-axis. So let this one is ellipse. Okay. X-axis, y-axis. This is x dash, y dash. Okay. And let this one is AE 0. Since this is a focus means you can say S is equal to AE, इसका नाम S रख दीजिए. Point S is lie on the x axis, so its y coordinate 0 and the x coordinate is AE. So the equation of a line passing through the point S which is parallel to y axis, that this one is A and B, AB. So AB is the line segment which is passing through the point S whose coordinates are AE and 0, and this one is the origin. So OS is the AE, the measurement of OS is AE. Okay. And since AB is parallel to y-axis, so the distance between these two lines, that is y-axis and line segment, is always constant, that is AE. AB और y-axis के बीच का distance हमेशा constant रहेगा, since we know that the distance between two parallel lines is always constant. Okay, so A हमेशा same रहेगा. तो equation of AB is x is equal to AE. Okay, we have to find the area enclosed between curves. First curve is ellipse, that is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. मतलब इसका इक्वेशन क्या है, x स्क्वायर अपॉन a स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर अपॉन b स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1. ठीक है. अब हमें इन दोनों के बीच का हमें एरिया चाहिए. तो अब भी इनके कॉमन रीजन क्या है, कॉमन रीजन यही है. ये दो रीजन हमको चाहिए. वी वांट द कॉमन रीजन बिटवीन द कर्व्स एंड x इज इक्वल टू AE. ओके, इनके बीच का कॉमन रीजन यही है. एंड वी नो दैट द इलिप्स इज सिमेट्रिक विद x एक्सिस. तो सिमेट्रिक मीन्स जितना ऊपर उतना नीचे. So A वाला the area, let this one is area A1 which is made by x is equal to 0 means y axis. The equation of y axis is x is equal to 0. So A1 is the area formed by x equal to 0, that is y axis, to x is equal to AE. X is equal to AE and the curve, A वाला curve. ओके. और ये जो कर्व है किसका पार्ट है, दिस कर्व इज द पार्ट ऑफ द इलिप्स. ओके. सो एंड सिंस द इलिप्स इज सिमेट्रिक विद द एक्स एक्सिस, तो A1 इतना, ये जो एरिया रहेगा वो इस एरिया के इक्वल रहेगा. लेट दिस वन इज A2. A2 is formed by the y-axis and x is equal to AE and this curve. And since this curve is a part of the ellipse, okay, so A1 is equal to A2. A1 is equal to A2. A1 is equal to A2. So if we calculate the area A1 and after multiplying by 2, we get the total area enclosed by curve. First is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1 and x is equal to a. अगर हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो हमें रिक्वायर्ड एरिया मिल जाएगा. ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड A1. So A1 is calculated from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to AE. X is equal to 0 means y-axis, x is equal to AE is the line segment AB which is parallel to y-axis. तो हमें क्या करना है यहाँ पे? We have to write dx. Since we are taking the limits of x, that is x is equal to 0 to x is equal to AE, so we have to integrate with respect to x, and for that we have to write y. Okay, so this one is equal to x is equal to 0 to x is equal to AE. यहाँ पे dx लिखना है and y is taken from the equation of curve. Since this curve is the part of ellipse, so y can be calculated from here. मतलब equation of ellipse से हमको यहाँ से y मिलेगा. कैसे मिलेगा? Since x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. We want y. So y square upon b square is equal to 1 minus x square upon a square. After cross multiplication, we get a square minus x square upon a square. So y square is equal to b square is multiplied with the a square minus x square upon a square. We get b square upon a square times a square minus x square. So y is under root of b square upon a square into under root of a square minus x square, that is b upon a under root of a square minus x square. ठीक है, y is b upon a under root of a square minus x square. Clear? So let us put the value of y. Y is b upon a. Y is b upon a under root of a square minus x square from here. The limits x is equal to 0 to AE, and we know that b upon a under root of a square minus x square, integral of under root of a square minus x square can be written as x by 2, that is formula. Okay, x by 2 under root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2. A square by 2 into sin inverse of x upon a from 0 to AE. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is AE. Okay, let us substitute the limits, that is upper limit x is equal to AE upon 2. X is equal to AE upon 2 under root of a square minus x is equal to AE, that is a square e square plus a square upon 2 into sin inverse of AE upon A. Okay, and when we substitute the lower limit, that is 0, it becomes 0, and sin inverse of 0 is always 0. This one is calculated as b by a into AE. Let this one is जाने दो. This one is A1. Okay, so A1 is b upon a into AE upon 2 under root of a square minus a square e square plus a square by 2. Sin inverse of a and a get cancelled, and this one is equal to b upon a. So b AE upon 2, when we take a square as a common, we get to 1 minus e square. A square is common, we get to 1 minus e square plus a square upon 2 into sin inverse of e. A and a get cancelled. this one is equal to, you can write it as b upon a ae by 2. देखो a square into 1 minus a square into 1 minus a square is equal to b square. So this is and under root of b square is b into b plus a square upon 2 into sin inverse of e. ओके तो इतना आया. दिस वन इज a1. लेट अस फाइंड a2. हमें क्या चाहिए? a2 चाहिए. Since a1 is equal to a2 means area of the region above the x-axis is equal to area of the region below the x-axis. So a is equal to a1 plus a2 or a is equal to twice of a1. So twice of a1 is b upon a into b upon a, यहाँ पे b upon a twice of b upon a into ae by 2 into b plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of e. यही तो है a1 b upon a twice of a1 ae by 2 into b plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of e. Correct? So this is equal to, after multiplying by 2 we get b upon a ae into b, that is aeb plus 2 cancel out, we get a square into sin inverse of e. तो ये रहा आपका a. ओके एंड यू कैन राइट इट एज बी ए. छोड़ो, लीव दैट. सो एरिया इज b upon a and you can write you can take a as a common. a को आप बाहर निकाल सकते हो. तो when we take a as a common we get a as a common be plus a into sin inverse of e and a cancel, we get b into b square e plus ab into sin inverse of e. So total area is b square into e plus ab into sin inverse of e. Okay, so please make a note. If you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, clear? Any doubt? So our next question is y is equal to x cube and x is equal to minus 2 to x is equal to 1, and we know that x is equal to minus 2 is the equation of a line which is parallel to y axis, and since there is a negative we know that x is equal to minus k, x is equal to k is the equation of a line which is parallel to y axis at a distance of k unit to the right side of the y axis. But here x is equal to minus 2 is the equation of a line which is parallel to y axis at a distance of 2 unit to the left side of the y axis, and x is equal to 1 is the equation of line जो y axis के parallel है but at a distance of 1 unit to the right side of the y axis. So first of all let us draw the graph. X axis, y axis. Y is equal to x cube is drawn as like this. Okay, so this one is 1, x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 2, this one is minus 1, minus 2. Okay, ग्राफ कैसा रहेगा? ऐसा. पासिंग थ्रू द x is equal to minus 2, this one is x is equal to minus 2 parallel to y axis at a distance of minus 2 to the मतलब लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ द y axis. सेकेंड वन इज x is equal to 1, यहाँ से समझ गए होगे. दिस वन इज x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 2, ये आपका minus 2 है, a minus 1 है, ये 0 है. सो हमें चाहिए क्या? वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया बिटवीन द कर्व्स, मीन्स x is equal to minus 2 एंड दिस कर्व. इसका इक्वेशन क्या है? y is equal to x cube. So this part, this area is, let this one is A1. So A1 is made by x is equal to minus 2 and this curve. And this curve is the part of the y is equal to x cube, means x is equal to minus 2 to 0. This area A1 is made by x is equal to minus 2 and the curve means y is equal to x cube and x is equal to 0. Okay, that is y axis. The second area A2 is made by x is equal to 0, means y axis to x is equal to 1, means this line x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 2. आया समझ में? तुम्हें A1 और A2 चाहिए. We want A1 plus A2, that is total area covered by x is equal to minus 2, that is this line parallel to y axis. Curve y is equal to x cube. This curve, that is A wala portion, is the part of y is equal to x cube. X is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1. A wala portion, that is A2. A2 is enclosed between x is equal to 0, that is y axis, x is equal to 1, that is line parallel to y axis at a distance of 1 unit. और A वाला portion, ये portion किसका part है? This is a part of this, that is y is equal to x cube. Okay, so A1 is equal to, that is x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 2 to x is equal to 0. और यहाँ पे लिखना है dx, means we have to integrate with respect to x. So for that we have to write here y. This one is equal to minus 2 to 0, y is equal to x cube dx, and we know that x cube means h to the power 4 upon 4 minus 2 to 0. This one is x at the place of upper limit, that is 0, we get 0 minus 2 to the power 4 upon 4. This is equal to minus to the power even number, that is positive. Negative to the power even is always positive. 2 to the power 4, 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 upon 4, that is 4. So A1 is equal to 4. A2 is calculated from x is equal to 0. x is equal to 0 यहाँ से लेकर के, that is y axis to x is equal to 1, that is line parallel to y axis at a distance of 1 unit to the right hand side of the y axis. And since we are writing the limits of x, so we have to write dx, means we have to integrate with respect to x, and for that we have to write y here. So this one is equal to 0 to 1, y is x cube dx. This one is equal to x power 4 upon 4 from 0 to 1, and upper limit is 1 upon 4, lower limit is 0. This one is equal to 1 by 4. So A1 is 4 and A2 is 1 by 4. So total area A is equal to A1 plus A2. A1 is 4 and A2 is 1 by 4, that is 17 by 4 square units. So total area is 17 by 4. Okay, तो इस तरीके से आप एरिया कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो बिटवीन 2 और 3 और मोर देन कर्व्स. यहाँ पे क्या था? y इज इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूब था और x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2 टू x इज इक्वल टू 1. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से आप इसको ड्रॉ करके फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज़ मेक अ नोट, कुछ डाउट हो तो बताइए. क्लियर? Next question is y greater than equal to x square, means we have given an inequalities y greater than equal to x square. So first of all we make y is equal to x square is the equation of parabola which is symmetric with positive y axis. And here y is magnitude of x, means y can be defined as y is equal to plus x and y is equal to minus x. Okay, first of all draw the graph of these three curves. First one is parabola, that is y x square is equal to y, symmetric with positive y axis. Second one is y is equal to x, is the equation of a line which is always positive, always passing through the origin, that is 0 and 0. Second one is y is equal to minus x is also the straight line which is always which is always passing through the origin. ऐसा ये वाला हमें पोर्शन चाहिए, थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ है, एक मिनट। ओके, सो देखिए ये जितना ए y is equal to plus x passing through the origin and y is equal to minus x is the also equation of a line which is passing through the origin. और a parabola है which is symmetric with positive y axis. Okay, so we have to find the area enclosed between these two curves. First is y is equal to x, that is the straight line, we know that. Second one is parabola. Let this area is a1 and this shaded region is shown by a2. Okay, and we know that area a1 is equal to a2. दोनों सेम रहेगा, कैसे सेम रहेगा आप इसको वेरीफाई कर सकते हो. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ पॉइंट P. Since P is the common point, or you can say point of intersection of these two curves, first one is y is equal to x and second one is x is equal to y. When we solve these two equations simultaneously, we can get the coordinates of point P. Okay, and after that if we draw a perpendicular from P to M, then we get OM is the x coordinate of point P and PM is the y coordinate of point P. ओके, सो आफ्टर दैट उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, ए वाला एरिया फाइंड आउट करेंगे, दैट इज एरिया फॉर्म बाय x इज इक्वल टू 0 टू x इज इक्वल टू OM. x इज इक्वल टू OM मतलब m का जो कोऑर्डिनेट रहेगा, m का जो x कोऑर्डिनेट रहेगा उसका x इज इक्वल टू 0 टू OM एंड द कर्व दैट इज स्ट्रेट लाइन. उसके बाद क्या करना है, फाइंड ए वाला पोर्शन, ए वाला एरिया फाइंड आउट कीजिए. मान लीजिए ए आपका ए यहाँ पे A3 है और ए वाला A4 है. सो A3 इज द रीजन, A3 इज द एरिया ऑफ द रीजन फ्रॉम x इक्वल टू 0 टू OM एंड ए वाला पोर्शन ए जो कर्व बनाया. और A4 क्या रहेगा, A4 इज द रीजन कवर्ड बिटवीन x इक्वल टू 0 टू OM और ए वाला जो रीजन रहेगा जो मैंने हॉरिजॉन्टल खींचा है. एंड दिस पोर्शन इज फॉर्म बाय A3 माइनस A4. A1 इज इक्वल टू A3 माइनस A4. ओके, ऐसा समझ में. और A1 को अगर आपने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, सिंस A1 इज इक्वल टू A2 and when A1 is multiplied by 2, then we get the total area formed by are enclosed by y greater than equal to x square and y is equal to mod of x. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड A1, फाइंड A3. उसके पहले आपको OM और PM फाइंड आउट करना है. सो सॉल्व दिस टू इक्वेशन, दैट इज y इज इक्वल टू x स्क्वायर एंड y इज इक्वल टू x. We get x is equal to x square, x and x get cancelled, we get x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 square, y is equal to 1. So we get 1 and 1. ये कितना हुआ, 1 and 1. Okay, so OM is 1 and 0. So find A3. A3 is equal to 0 to 1 and the range of we are taking the range of x, so we have to integrate with respect to x. So x equal to 0 to 1, write y here. So this one is equal to 0 to 1, y is equal to x dx, and we know that this one is x square upon 2. From 0 to 1 we get 1 upon 2. Okay, calculate A4. A4 is 0 to 1 of y. Y means x square. Y, this portion is the part of the parabola, that is y is equal to x square dx. We get x cube upon 3. From 0 to 1 we get 1 upon 3. So total area A1 is equal to A3 minus A4, that is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, that is 1 by 6. So total area A is equal to A1 twice of A1 twice of 1 by 6, that is 1 by 3. Okay, So area 1 by 3 is the covered by A total area A is the area formed by, करेक्ट ना. सो A is twice of A1. A1 कैसे मिला, A3 में से A4 को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, A3 minus A4. A3 is the A3 is formed by straight line x equal to 0 to x equal to 1, ठीक है. और A4 is the region formed by x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1 and curve this, मतलब parabola. This part is the this portion is the part of the parabola, that is x cube upon 3 1 by 3. तो A1 is equal to A3 minus A4 1 by 6. हमें टोटल A दोनों चाहिए थे, हमने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, 2 into 1 by 6 that is 1 by 3 स्क्वायर यूनिट. ये रहा स्क्वायर यूनिट. So 1 by 3 is the total area between the curves y is equal to x square and y greater than, that is inequalities, that is y greater than equal to x square and y is equal to magnitude of x, modulus of x. Okay, that is 1 by 3. Please make a note.